Okay, I'm with Eddie T. the Boss. We are traveling southbound on, I guess we're on South Garnett.
On official business.
On official business, we're on our way to a collision. Collision
Injury.
Collision with injury. Serious matter. It's 11:48.
They have a dietary need.
A collision in need of a burrito. It's 11:48. The Great Blizzard of 2011. It's coming down again. I don't know how much we got. Initially, I'm guessing 12 inches. They're predicting 1 to 3 inches more today. A possible 4 to 6 inches on next Monday. Here is TFD. Don't know what they're up to. They're probably on their way to Homeland to get groceries so they can cook lunch. Very important thing. Okay, that is all.